gonna do F prime, L, D, R prime. Rotate. L, F prime, L prime.
Logan likes.
Okay, rotate. Again. Left. Or it's like L prime U2. And then insert, like go U, and then insert left. Yeah, insert left. The other way. Okay. U. Take out the right pair. The other, like, take it out the other way. And then rotate. And then insert back right pair. Yeah, like. Pair back up. Do R prime U.
Or from here.
It's a back pair, like.
Yeah, I'll do that.
It's like.
Is it paired though? Like, is it split or?
Do R prime U R. U prime. And then insert in the back. The other way. Okay. Okay. R U prime. R prime.
Exactly. That's right. That's a good photo.
Insert.
Where?
Right. Insert right. Yep.
Actually,
Rotate
yeah,
left.
wait. So good.
U prime. Insert right.
That's pretty great. It's like, why is he not
Fat R
scared?
prime. U2.
That's
Fat
actually
U2. And then
That is awesome.
G
And
perm
it's
from
like
the back, or
everything's
J
so
perm from the
good.
back, not the good one.
That should be my intro.
Like from the. Do it again.
Oh, this one.
You have an M perm now.
Wait, yeah, do one
Oh,
from
not the right end, is it?
one from right here, and I'm actually gonna hang.
You perm?
Prime.
Wait, no, just get here. Go this way.
1 minute and 45.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna just enough to not get that thing.
L prime, F prime, R prime. L prime, F prime, L2, R prime.
Wait.
L prime, F prime, L2, R prime.
Here,
D L prime.
You show your mom.
U prime,
yeah,
L prime, U L.
Wait. Here, like, Jake, do like convulsing motions
D2.
with your face.
Spin right. U2. L prime, U2, L. U. U left split.
U.
Okay, no. U prime double
There's
sexy.
people in the shot.
U prime double sexy. Oh, left side. U
Yeah,
prime
check out.
double sexy left side. Yeah, like that. Okay, spin right. U left split.
What's that?
Left split pair. There's a left
Oh
split.
my gosh, that actually.
Okay, right split.
Oh my god.
U2. R U prime cancel into sledge.
Wait, R U prime.
No. R U prime U prime.
Here,
U
so
prime.
you have to go to
U2.
photos to see.
U. Cancel into sledge. R2.
The video wasn't
R2,
good because there's
F4.
people in the background.
Okay, sledgehammer. Yeah. Okay, U. So you're gonna do it soon, but then you're gonna get that like U perm from the back. Soon, and then that U perm from the. Yeah, cancel. Done. Oh, +2. Okay.
You can do it blindfolded.